Step 1. Open the box and take out the products and parts. Step 2. Following the video, unscrew the designated screws and remove the original inner liner from the vehicle. Step 3. After cutting along the cutting line, install the clip nuts. Step 4. Position the liner correctly for installation. First, tighten down the upper hole cover of the liner. Adjust the liner according to the video to align its screw holes with the vehicle's original screw holes. Then secure it by tightening with the original vehicle screws. Step 5. Match the edge holes of the original vehicle body with the clip nut holes on the inner liner. Then tighten and secure using the original vehicle screws. The installation steps on the other side are the same.